declaring for Jian's passport. But before that, we're gonna stop in Dipolog. A few important things to do. Yeah, we're having problem withdrawing money, even my bank BPI. All the ATM was empty. Breakfast, still in Dipolog. That's it, no rice for me. Oh, you like that gravy? Yeah, different color, eh? Just 500 now because the tank is half.
Too late, it's okay.
Thank you. Fiesta. Okay, we arrived. Big queue there. They're letting in people one by one. I think there's only one agent or something. Yeah. It's going to be there for a while. So I'm waiting here with Bella in the car. Okay, the documents visit only between 2 and 3 because I avoid that big queue maybe, I'm sure. But anyway, we're going to go to Sammy's, probably have a lunch there, and then we come back here after 2. Alright, while we're waiting for this afternoon, I may as well have a look at the insulation. I'm going to buy them here. As you remember, I ran out of insulation for the bedroom project. This looked the same as Dipolog.
Yeah, and the parking.
The parking, everything. Alright. Interesting, I just walked in City Hardware, one of the viewers with his wife recognized me. Small world. Alright, let's find those insulation sheets. I'll hold for you.
Yeah, thanks.
Give me 7. 7. Interesting. That's not very 2 foot. Yeah, it should be okay.
4.
Oh.
7.
Yeah, it's the same setup as Dipolog. People look less stressy, I don't know. Come on, motorcycle. It's all about fish. Very fishy, this place. Oh, I feel like one of those. Okay, we waited to be served now. What's up?
Sinigang na tuna.
It's not too hot.
Here.
This is mine. I think I'm going to be hungry after, but I'm not hungry right now. We had such a big breakfast. Sushi. Nice.
Maybe you liking that one.
The food's pretty good actually. If you don't believe me, ask him. Bella enjoy hello, but mommy tried to give some chicken and rice. Oh, sorry, tuna and rice. She's healthier than hello. She missed her TV. It's got some very nice decoration here.
Yeah, I like it.
Total 495 pesos. I was a bit suspicious about this sushi. Just the color doesn't look natural.
Huh?
Yeah? You think, boss?
I mean,
It's not the Japanese one. I've been to Japan so many times for so long. That's good.
give some to mommy there.
She loves halo. No way. Okay, Jem is inside the office. I'm waiting outside in the car with Bella. And she's so nice. She gave me so much hard time. But that's okay. I love her so much. She's touching everything. She gonna be a pilot like daddy or something? I don't know. I'd love to have a nap. I need a coffee. I don't know if they got any here. So keep me awake during the trip. We're gonna go back the easy way through Oriqueta. Instead of Molave. I prefer the road is less dangerous. Oh. We still have to go to Manila around early October, something like that. Can't wait to go home because I don't like the weather. It's going to be always tropical storm. I don't want to drive with that. I don't want to drive in the middle of that. Okay, the paper's done. So they should send the passport by PLC. So we pick it up.
LBC.
Oh, we pick it up. Okay, the passport is done. Paperwork at least. We should pick it up from LBC.
1 month after.
Where? Which one?
In Dipolog.
In Dipolog. Alright. That's it. Let's go home, but we're gonna stop somewhere and do something. Just grab a coffee on the way. This is cute here. Actually, it's cute here.
Yeah, I need coffee.
Caramel, something for you. And Bella too. And I got my coffee Americano. Okay, let's go. That coffee was great. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.